Yeah, my name's Jim Lott. I'm a volunteer, sort of out of the community, working with some of the students on the allotments on the site to try and encourage and embed sort of sustainability principles in terms of growing food and food production and the connections with sort of the wider world. I've been working at the university a couple of years now, sort of on and off. I'd finished a master's degree in green architecture, sustainable architecture, and I was actually looking around for an allotment plot of my own, and someone mentioned that the university had allotment plots that they had available, and I came up and started talking to the sustainability department and realised that they were looking for sort of volunteer to try and encourage more people to use the allotments. And as a case of that, I've managed to get some students on to the allotments, and yeah, the allotment plots are coming along, they're developing very well. Well, the university year and allotments don't always necessarily connect together. So what we're trying to develop is a sort of almost a rolling program, so whereby one set of students can do the winter work, pass it over to a summer set of students, who will then pass it over to another set of students. So although a year of students may not see the full sequence, they'll see half of the sequence out of order. But then hopefully there'll be an inter-year connection between all of the students. So the idea is over a few years we'll build quite a group of students who are quite interconnected and passing those skills in between the generations. Over the summer, the university have been refurbishing one of their halls, and a lot of the windows were just going to be left to scrap. So what we did, we gathered up all of the old windows and window frames, and we've got them on the allotment. And we're hoping in October, when the students come back, we'll get a student group together to design and build cold frames across the whole length of the allotment. And maybe if we can find the resources, we can create a sort of a homemade greenhouse out of them, which will extend the growing season and allow more students to sort of be involved in some of the harvesting of some of the crops.